right behind this corner is a York Stellar Series. Wow. I think it's a Stellar Series, I'm not sure. Yeah, I just walked around the corner here, and I've known it was here for a while, but I thought it was going to get replaced. Look at the garbage around it. Gross. Man. Sounds pretty nice when it's on, but yeah, it's not going to be on right now because it's like in the 50s right now, so cold out. And yeah, I'll go around. There's actually a couple more ACs I see around here on Amana that I could possibly film. But yeah, York. This one's always more loud. It's got a Bristol reciprocating compressor from 2001. Nice little unit. Yeah, I'll get a video of it sometime in the summertime, probably starting October. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over to these two units that I see over here. It sounds like the Amana's running actually. Does not sound good. Interesting. And look, here's two Bryants that I just found, and one of them is running. Interesting. So we are right at the beach right now, so that explains